Hare Krishna! Today we are going to learn a beautiful song for Purusottama month called Chorastakam by Sri Bilvamangala Thakura. This song glorifies Lord Krishna as the supreme thief who not only steals butter, as many of you know, but who also steals mountains of sins, the hearts of his devotees, and so much more. Please download the notes in the link below and play along with me. In this song, there are 8 verses. The first 7 follow the same melody, which goes like this. Now let's try the first verse. Raje prasidham navanita chauram gopangananam chadukula chauram aneka janmar jita papa chauram Chauragraganyam Purusham namami. Second verse. Shri Radhikaya Hridayasya Chauram Navam Buddhasha Malakanti Chauram Padashritanam Chasamasta Chauram Chauragraganyam Purusham namami. In between the verses, you may also add an interlude like this. So you can continue the rest of the verses with the same melody until the last verse. The last verse is a little bit different, so you can play it in 2 different ways. This is the first way. Karagrihe vasa sada hidaye madiye mat bhakti pasha dridabandhana nishchalasan Tvam Krishna he pralaya koti shatantarepi sarvasva chaura hidaya nahi mochayami. For the second variation, you just need to know 3 different chords. This is the first one. The second one. And the third one. And then back to the first one. Karagrihe vasa sada hidaye madiye mad bhakti pasha dhirda bandhana nishchalasan Tvam Krishna he pralaya koti shatantarepi sarvasva chaura hidaya nahi mochayami.